Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you a favorite dish and a recipe. But we're not gonna talking about any food. We're gonna talk about 2017 resolution, guys. I want you to please leave some comments down below and tell me some ideas and share me some of your ideas what you're gonna do for 2017 resolution, guys. Basically, I have a few tips which I want to share with you for 2017 in your resolution. If you could please do this in your resolution, guys, it will be a benefit to you and your family in their life also. We want to say, please, healthy is gonna be one of the key for 2017 resolution, guys. Please eat healthy and please look after yourself. But what I want you guys to do for me, please leave some of your ideas down below that others can see what others been doing for 2017 resolution, guys. You have to have a plan for 2017, guys. As I said, the builder always work with a plan, so please plan and make sure everything what you're gonna do is gonna be a blessing for you in 2017. So guys, I want to say in the 2017 resolution, please, I'm asking you to please leave some of your ideas down below that others can see it, and I'm gonna share my ideas and few of my tips with you into a next video which is gonna coming out very soon with all of my 2017 resolution, guys, to share with my fans and to tell you guys, this is just some key points and some keywords we can do in your 2017 resolution. So if you have your ideas, please write some down below, and that's to share, that others can see, that others can say, you know what happened, Chef Ricardo was saying make certain kind of recipe, it will be really good, just share some ideas and make everyone having a wonderful time. Anyway, guys, I want to say thank you so much for everything in 2016. It was just amazing, guys. I want to say thank you, a big thank you. At the moment, we almost soon reach 100,000 subscribers, which is brilliant. I'm gonna be doing a video coming up soon on that one, but look forward for that video, which I'm gonna give you some tips and more ideas on that one also. But we just think we're talking about 2017 resolution, so please give us some of your ideas down below, and I'm going to give you some tips and some ideas in my video which I'm going to be coming out next video where we're going to talking about the 2017 resolution. Your dream have to come true. Once you got faith and believe, it will come true, guys. And if you have anything what you're doing, please push and go forward. Don't make anyone stop you with your dream. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. It is amazing, guys, to know that it's just blessing. Alright, guys, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipe coming up, we got a lot more ideas, we got a lot more stuff coming your way. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. I want to say Happy New Year again, and this is our 2017 resolution. This is going to be the volume 1. Look for the volume 2. But what we want you to do is just write a few of your stuff what you want to do for 2017 resolution, that we can have some ideas what's going on. We can always say, what, this is good and this is what you can do. But one of my thing, in the food industry, we want to say, please eat healthy. It's very important, guys. And I'm going to be doing another video on detoxing your body. That's what the first thing we're going to be doing starting in 2017. Is to detox your body. I've been preaching it all along in 2016 and 2017. We got the first video which we're going to be talking about is detoxing your body. Very important. So next video we're coming up next is going to be talking about detoxing your body. The next video we're going to talking about 2017 resolution. That's from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and this is from me and the team. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a lovely week and a lovely week ahead. It's just coming up to you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.